Hey, it's Barbecue Brian, and I got 3 tips for you, or 3 misconceptions that I often get asked about. For example, can you put your beef rub on your pork and your chicken and your fish? Of course you can, right? Or can you put the rib or the pork rub on your fish and your chicken and your vegetables and all that kind of stuff? Of course you can. This is just some flavor that you want, some really good flavor. Question number 2 that I often get asked about: can I mix these two together, or maybe even these two together, or can I put some apple juice or brown sugar or vinegar in here? Of course you can change these things, doctor them, make it nice and flavorful the way that you want any of your sauces or spices. That's a good tip. Why not? And the third thing that I often get asked about, or kind of gets under my skin, is when somebody says there's a barbecue season. That's like saying you only eat on Tuesday. Nah, I eat every day, and often multiple times a day, and you probably do too. That's barbecue for me. Any time of year, every day. You got it. Keep on barbecuing.